In order for today's experiment to run properly, you will have to properly use a micropipetter. Before you start the experiment, go through the following exercise to become familiar with dispensing small amounts of liquid. It is important to use this piece of equipment correctly, because otherwise it will not deliver the correct volume. Step 1. Put on the correct pipette tip. Turn the dial on the side to set the volume you want to pipette. A micropipetter has two stops, a first stop and a second stop. For the third step, press the plunger to the first stop. Put the tip into the liquid while keeping the plunger at the first stop. Fully release the plunger. You should see the liquid become aspirated. Move the pipette over to where you need to dispense the liquid. Then press harder to the second stop to fully expel the liquid. Remove from vessel and fully release the stop. Eject the used pipette tip into the proper area for disposal. Feel free to practice again with a new pipette tip and be sure to understand the series of steps. Try and perhaps pipette different quantities of materials. Understanding how to use a micropipetter is one of the first steps in mastering methodologies in scientific experimentation. In addition, it allows us as researchers to transfer small, accurate quantities of materials from one location to another. Relax, think about the steps, see the beauty of it, and good luck.